Alright, Chevy fans, here's one to take a look at. 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, two-door hardtop or sport coupe. As you can see, riding on rally style wheels, red line tires. Love those red lines, this era of car. Has had a repaint along the way. Red exterior and red interior. Underneath the hood, V8 powered 283 small block Chevy paired with a Power Glide automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. It's nicely equipped. If you want to check out the engine bay, the interior, the underside of this car, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Let you get a good look at the front of this car. The grille, headlight surrounds, chrome in the front bumper. Paint shows nicely on it, although you are going to find a few imperfections. Kind of point them out as I go around. You can tell it has obviously been a frame-on restoration. You can see the underside looks good, but there are a few spots where it does show its age a little bit. I'll try to point those out as we go around here. Bench seat up front, shifter on the column, a later model steering wheel, some aftermarket gauges underneath the dash, aftermarket radio that does work, and we'll get around to the driver's side, open it up, let you check that out, let you take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see it's straight. I mean, it does not appear that it's a real thick car, real wavy, like you'll get to see those longer panels when it's had a poor restoration job done to it. Couple little spots right down here, and again, if I'm being fussy and really kind of pointing them out, I don't know if you can see. It's actually kind of tough to see. A couple little spots, there you go. I'm down here, but again, nothing major. One you can still get in, drive, have some fun. Just want to give you a fair representation of this car. Speaking of which, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. I also tell people on the videos here, if you're watching them before, we have an open door party for open door policy for a third party inspector, I should say. If you can't make it yourself and you want to have somebody feel, touch, and hear this car other than through the videos and the pictures here, feel free to have a third party inspector come and check this one out if you can't make it yourself. Let's go ahead and look at the rear bumper. As far as the chrome, a little bit of pitting on this rear trunk piece, but again, not bad. It's not one you have to be afraid to get in and drive to your local shows, cruise in, roll ins. It's going to show well. Once again, those still pictures, you want to check them out so you can see this car top to bottom, bottom to top. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. I'll hit that phone number one more time when we wrap up this video. Alright, let's go down this driver's side. Let me start from the front here and I'll go to the back. And again, kind of point out a couple things I noticed. Kind of the same spot as on the other side. Just a little, and it's almost like just maybe a little bit of clear, extra clear. It's tough to see on there. Come to the back here, and just another couple little real small spots. Actually, so small stuff to get them to show up on the camera or the pictures. But again, looks straight. I mean, it's not wavy. Again, does not look like a thick car. All right, let's check out this interior. All right, as you can see, a later model seat belt in there. This one has slid down. With vinyl, good shape. It has been reupholstered along the line. It is in such a nice shape. Headliner. Sorry about that glare. Also red and in good shape. And you can see that all in the still pictures also. Let's go ahead and fire up that 283 and see an aftermarket tack been placed on the steering column. Tack does work. Of course, you can move that red line up and out of there. Aftermarket gauges, oil pressure, water temp and bolts. Aftermarket stereo does work, by the way. Fuel gauge appears to be working, if you can see through there in there. Dash, nice shape. It's a great sounding 283. Sounds like we got a little bit of cam to her. Door closes and fits nicely. Slip around to the back here. Listen to that. Oh, turn some heads. Good sounding car. Alright, I'm going to pause up here in the front a second. Let me pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
So Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb. Once again, Hedman headers. HEI ignition back there. You also see the cowl tag, data tag. You have a close-up picture of that, close-up of the VIN. Car will be sold on a clear title. Smooth running engine, sounds good. Hood liner, all complete. 1964 Chevelle Malibu, 2-door hardtop or sports coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.